Hey, hello everyone, this is your boy Sajino Programmer and today is day 194. Yesterday was not that good, but let us try to come back because whatever and how, whatever, no, let us read the question first. Um, First, matching character from both ends. You are given a string of s consisting of lowercase English letter written the smallest index as such that s of I equals to n minus n such a very simple question. So int I equals to 0, j equals to s dot size minus 1. While I is smaller than or equal to j, equal to भी चले जाएगा ना भाई दिक्कत क्या है equal j. If s of I equals to s of j, then return I and I plus I plus plus j minus minus return minus 1. बात खत्म. Or this answer is 1, 1 and minus 1, 1 and minus 1 submit. Next question. अरे भाई साहब. Design event manager. You are given an initial list of events where each event has a unique ID, event ID, and a priority. Okay, everyone have its own. Every event has its own priority and event ID. Implement the event manager class. So we have to implement event manager class. Okay, so what are the requirements of that class? Event manager of events initialize the manager with the given event where events of I equals to events are okay. Initialize the manager with the given events where events I equals to event ID comma priority ID. Void update priority is basically int event ID int event ID and int new priority. Update the priority of the active event with ID event ID to new priority. ठीक है. Int poll highest removes removes and returns the event ID of the active event with the highest priority. If multiple active event has same priority, return the smallest event ID among them. If there are no active event, return minus one. Oh भाई साहब. हाँ यार ये तो एक देख एक अनऑर्डर्ड मैप रहेगा. अनऑर्डर्ड मैप ऑफ इंट कॉमा इंट बेसिकली एमपीपी और इसको अपन बोल सकते हैं इवेंट टू प्रायोरिटी मैपिंग है. प्रायोरिटी इवेंट टू प्रायोरिटी मैपिंग है और एक होगा सेट ऑफ पेयर्स ऑफ इंट कॉमा इंट विच इज बेसिकली एसटी समझ लो अभी के लिए प्रायोरिटी की वे हो बेसिकली. बात खत्म. इतना ही करना था. हमें क्या करना है अभी. फॉर ऑटो ए और फॉर ऑटो इवेंट in events what we have to do basically st dot insert we have to insert event का 0. Now what we want priority wise sorting. So here we should have event of 1 comma event of 0. So both of these we want here. And the second thing, event to priority of event of 0 should be equals to event of 1. So we have the mapping to event to priority as well as a set will contain and set will be by default sorting the things. Okay, that's good. How can we pass comparator? So let us this we need to ask the chat GPT, no issues. So first this thing. How will we handle this thing? So यहाँ पे दिया भी होगा all values event ID and event ID and events are unique. For call parity event ID refers active event. ये क्या इवेंट आईडी है क्या नहीं वो बोल बता. If mpp dot find अपडेट हो रहा है ना. If mpp dot find event event id is not equals to mpp dot end, then we simply need to update that है ना. So we need to so previous priority and priority will be equals to mpp of event id जो कि basically previous priority लेके आएगा, and then mpp of new priority will be event id will be equals to new priority एंड मेरे को रिमूव भी करना है. सो एस टी डॉट रिमूव और एस टी डॉट इरेज एस टी डॉट फाइंड हमें करना है क्या. एस टी डॉट फाइंड क्या करना है हमें ओल्ड प्रायोरिटी. तो प्रेव प्रायोरिटी कॉमा इवेंट आईडी एंड देन वी हैव टू इंसर्ट एस टी डॉट इंसर्ट. हमें इंसर्ट क्या करना है न्यू प्रायोरिटी कॉमा इवेंट आईडी एंड अपडेट तो अपन कर चुके हैं. दैट्स इट. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. एंड यहाँ पे हमें बस रिटर्न करना है ना वो रिमूव्स एंड रिटर्न्स. ठीक है. सो हमें रिमूव एंड रिटर्न करना है. सो रिमूव वॉट एवर विल बी द फ्रंट. सो पेयर ऑफ इंट कॉमा इंट top will be equals to st dot begin star st dot begin and then st dot erase st dot begin st dot begin. This will be removed and then we have to remove it from mpp2. So mpp dot erase top dot firs name top dot fi top dot second because second is event id and that will be removed and we have to return one. The priority we have to return, isn't it? Mm, if st dot empty st dot size equals to 0 return -1 and then erase भी कर दिया ये भी कर दिया and then we have to return what event id. So top dot second we have to return. That's it. Now we want to add custom sort to this. Yeah, what we will do. How to add custom comparator जो भी होता है भाई स्पेलिंग पता है. So we have to like this or this. Okay, so this can be like pair of int command, pair of int command, एक comparator बनेगा auto. Okay, that will be good, isn't it? So comparator बनाना पड़ेगा. या फिर इधर देना है तो वी कैन सिंपली क्रिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्ट काइंड ऑफ कंपैरेटर। और ऑटो बनाऊंगा तो ये भी दे सकता हूँ। इफ आई कॉपी दिस paste it here comparator constant a comma and b what we want by default a dot second if a dot first equals we need to return yes that's what we want. That is the comparator and then next we have to use cmp comparator here and again pass cmp here. Is it like that or not? Yes, we need to give this decal type. What is this? Decal type. What is this? Need to understand. Is it correct or not? Mm, okay. Let us try to run. I know there will be lots of error. Auto not allowed in non-static member. If you want to do like this, struct comparator we have to pass here. Then we don't need it to here. We can simply pass CMP here. How? Struct comparator, then Boolean operator const pair. And here we need to simply pass comparator. Will this work? I don't know. Oh, we don't know. We don't know what is MPP. We know only priority. One more MPP. Rate limiter in the action. Top dot second. भाई लीड कोड लेवल तो बढ़ा रहा है देख। लेवल तो बढ़ा रहा है और हम भी रहे हैं। ये तो कर रहा हूँ ना फिर। Event one is priority. Whatever I'm putting is correct or not then. Priority and event ID. Whatever I'm reviewing is correct or not then. ए डॉट फर्स्ट पे खेलना है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट मेरे को चाहिए ए डॉट फर्स्ट शुड बी ग्रेट. So if A dot first and B dot first are equal, then return A dot second is smaller than or by default A dot first and B dot first जो greater है that should work now. Yes, this should submit. If it is TLE then it's okay, but should work. No, it's good. So we need to understand how comparator works. So struct comparator CMP. Then in that we need to use one Boolean operator const pair of int that I know, then const again, and that's simple. Okay, we will make sure we understand this fucking thing. Now go to the next question and try it. Sum of sortable integers is the one question, and one is it is. Sum of sortable integers. You are given an integer array nums of length n. So we have given an integer array nums of length n. An integer k is called sortable if k divides n. Oh, n. An integer k is called sortable if k divides n. And you can sort nums in non-decreasing order by sequentially performing the following operation. Sequential. Partition nums into consecutive subarrays of length k. Hmm. Cyclically rotate each subarray independently. Hmm. In a number of times to the left or to the right. Return an integer denoting the sum of all possible sortable k integers. Possible integer k's. Okay. Mhm. So if you think about it in a brute force way, if we have all the k possible things, then all divisor of n we have, suppose that will be like it will take root n time to find all the divisor of n. We will get all divisor of n, and with one it is always if it is possible with one, that means the array should be already sorted. And if it is possible with one, then it will be possible with all the things. All, yeah, correct. Okay, this is my subarray. Why the hell it is not connected? If this is my subarray, or this is my array n of size n, suppose n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is n. How many divisors of 10 we have? 1. 2, 3 is not, 4 is not, 5 is only 1. We'll go till root, isn't it? So 10 का रूट आएगा 3 तक. So 3 तो बना. ये 5 बनेगा, 5 के बाद कोई बनेगा नहीं. और 10 इट सेल्फ भी है, पूरा का पूरा है रेस. उल्टा सुल्टा करवा दिया. ठीक है. तो 4 बनेंगे. बन गया. अब क्या? अब we have to think about it. If it is doable by one, that means it is doable by everyone. If it is doable two, what I'm currently thinking is ना, two के साथ कैसे कर सकता है तो? So basically, if something is sortable while rotation, the graph should look like this. The first thing is if this is the x coordinate and y coordinate with respect to numbers, then numbers should be in like this way. Numbers are from strictly increasing order, or number can look like this, and this, and this, and this, isn't it? Okay, that is acceptable. Number can be like decreasing, and then once it start increasing, it will be increasing like that only. If it is increasing and it will have decreasing, that's also possible because by rotation only we need to think. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is array, so this is strictly increasing. Suppose my array is like 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. Then 3, 4, 5 is like this, and 1, 2 is like this. That is also good. But when can I say that it is sortable? Cyclic rotation of each independently सब k को मैं cyclically. Hmm. If if we are in increasing phase, and in increasing phase, if we have minimum is 3, then when we switch to the decreasing phase, that one starting point should be smaller than, because, but is it actually the decreasing? It is not. This is, and this is decreasing. And if we rotate it, then 2 will go here, 4, 5, 1. Okay, 2 will go here, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay. And if we do, suppose, if we do the right rotation means 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is right rotation. This will basically like this, going this way. Okay. One more right rotation will look like 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Basically increasing or decreasing. Oh, so basically it is also increasing. Only one gap is here. और ऐसे ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं ना, डिक्रीजिंग भी, जैसे कि 5, 4, 3, एंड यहाँ पे 2 एंड, और फिर ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1। इसमें अगर कोई दिखता है 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, can be rotated and sort? We cannot. Oh, if it is down, this is also downfall, but it will sort the array. How? We can left rotate now. काम कर दे काय एक तो बात पता चल चुकी है। सारे वो निकालो। क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सारे डिवाइसेस, एंड अगर उसमें से एक भी कर पा रहा है तो उसका मतलब उसके आगे के सारे कर पाएंगे। ओके, so reverse sum we need to have। सारे डिवाइजर पे बाइनरी सर्च लगेंगे। ये कर पाता है, नहीं कर पाता, पिछला वाला करके देखा, नहीं कर पाता, पिछला वाला करके देख। अगर समथिंग इज कैन डू देन इसके पीछे वाला कैन डू। इफ समथिंग इज नॉट डू देन गो अगेन चेक। इफ नो वन इज डू देन जीरो। Now that thing is very, I have two step. First step is get all divisors जो भी स्पेलिंग होती है। Second, apply binary search। ठीक है, अप्लाई बाइनरी, दो स्टेप तो मिल गया। अब हमें एक ही क्वेश्चन है अब हमारे पास कि इफ वी हैव गिवन एन अरे, if we have given an array, simple, the sub question we have is now, if we have given an array, suppose this is an array, if we have given an array, will this array is sortable or not? How can we come to know? So, okay, so this is ith index, this is jth index. How will we come to know this array is sortable? Okay, so for now, let us take an example of this same 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, and 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7 and increasing, 4, 5 is also increasing. So if 5 goes okay, so increasing and increasing, good. Only one gap, good. Now increasing, increasing, but whenever it is a gap, that next element should be strictly decreasing है, तो this is 5 strictly decreasing। 5 से बड़ा कुछ नहीं, 5 है, 5 से बड़ा कुछ नहीं, 5 है, फिर 7 है, फिर 7 है, और फिर ये 7 है। मतलब एक स्विच आएगा और उस स्विच के अंदर तो अगर ये देखेगा तो ये जो, और यहाँ पे सबसे छोटा देखो 5 है, 5 है, यहाँ तक 5 है, और यहाँ तक 3 बने, फिर 3 बने और फिर 3 बने। So basically this and this। How will we come to know? That is the great question. If we find the answer for this, then everything is sorted. If we are given a sub-array, if we are given an array, how can we detect that that array is sortable in non-decreasing or non-decreasing or non-increasing, any of one, non-decreasing or non-increasing order, by only applying cyclic rotation। This look like increasing and increasing, समझ रहे हो? इंक्रीज कर रहा है और इंक्रीज कर रहा है, इसका एक उल्टा भी तो बन सकता है कि डिक्रीज कर रहा है और फिर और एक डिक्रीज कर रहा है, जैसे कि 7 6 5 और 5 नहीं 7 6 5 और एक डिक्रीज करें जैसे कि 5 4 3 ये तो 60 बन गया। एक और दो को तो सिंपल है, एक को तो सीधा तो प्रीवियस से कंपेयर कर, दो के लिए दोनों को क्या है भाई, जो छोटा है जो बड़ा है वो आगे लेके जाए, जो बड़ा है वो आगे लेके जाए, सिंपल है। तीन के लिए सोच अब। 3 4 5 के लिए सोच रहे हैं। हम्म। आइडिया तो नहीं है भाई, कुछ सोल्यूशन तो नहीं। कौन सा क्वेश्चन हो रहा है भाई? क्वेश्चन ये है, सम ऑफ द सॉल्टेबल इंटीजर्स। नहीं हो रहा भैया। चलो बाय बाय।